Peace and good dear students. This week we are going to learn to write negative sentences using going to. Performance indicator. Write negative sentences using going to through images. So let's learn about the going to future. We use future going to talk about plans. So in this case, for example, let's remember how we make sentence in affirmative form. So what do we use? We use the subject plus the verb to be plus going to plus the base form. Example, I am going to study Chinese. Sandy is going to visit museums. They are going to travel to Beijing. So now let's make sentences using the negative word. To write sentences in negative word, we have to use the word not. Subject plus verb to be plus not plus going to plus the infinitive. Example, I am not going to read. You are not going to read. He is not going to read. She is not going to read. It is not going to read. We are not going to read. You are not going to read. They are not going to read. But remember, we can use the construction as well. I'm not going to read, or you aren't going to read. He is not, or he isn't. She is not, or she isn't. It is not, or it isn't. We are not, we aren't. You are not, or you aren't, and they are not, they aren't. Okay, now that's your turn. Write affirmative or negative form of the verb in brackets. For example, Dave, very good, is not going to live in Madrid. Sue, excellent, is going to study German in school. What about the number 3? My dad is going to drive a red car. We aren't going to walk to the school. The 34 bus is not going to stop here. Mr. Brandt is going to teach math. The children are going to play football. Mary is going to wash the dishes after lunch. So don't forget to make sentence using the going to. We only add the word not. Okay? I hope you liked this video and this topic. Okay, bye-bye, and thank you very much for your attention.